Hi everyone, I just wanted to take a moment to explain the subtraction on the delta math, because there are problems like this one where, remember, if we're subtracting off a polynomial, we have to remember to distribute, so we change the sign of each of these. Right, so two negatives here would make a plus 4x squared, and then this negative to a negative 5x would be a plus 5x. Okay, and then once we do that, we can then simply combine like terms. So I have a 9 plus a 4 would be a 13x squared. Okay, and then I have a 5x. I have nothing to combine that with, so I'll just write the 5x. And then I have a minus 8. So then I would combine like terms. In this case, only the x squareds, and then put our answer in descending order. But the wording of some of these, so some are just addition, but ones like these I wanted to particularly talk about. So add a new slide here. Okay, so when it says to subtract this from this, so remember, if it asks us to subtract 3 from 5, that means I take the 5 and I want to subtract 3 from it. Right, so whatever I'm subtracting, I'm taking away from the original. Okay, so for this one, I have my 4x, get rid of this, I have my 4x squared minus 7x minus 2. Right, I don't want to subtract this from it, so I want to take this away from the 4x squared minus 7x minus 2. So I'm going to subtract off this negative 3x minus 8. But remember, when I'm subtracting, I have to distribute. I have to subtract off this entire one, so I'm going to subtract off this entire one here. Okay, so subtract off everything here. So that means I'm going to subtract off the negative 3x, so that's going to become a plus 3x. And I'm going to subtract off an 8, so negative 8 is a plus 8. Okay, so once you do that distribution, then you can simply combine like terms. But if you're taking a polynomial away from another polynomial, you have to subtract off the entire thing. Okay, so like terms here, so I don't have any other x squared, so I can't combine, starting with the highest power, can't combine anything with that. Then the next one is the first degree, so we have two of them. So a negative 7x and a plus 3x. So negative 7 plus 3 is going to be a negative 4x. Okay, and then here we have an 8 and a negative 2. So I can just switch the order around, so 8 minus 2 will give me a 6. So just subtract those. Okay, so my final answer here will be 4x squared minus 4x plus 6. So if I type that in 4x squared, I've used a little caret symbol, it's above the 6 on my key, so shift 6, go up to the exponent here, and then the arrow key, so it's similar to the calculator. So 4x squared minus 4x plus 6. So just use the caret key on the right above the 6 on the keyboard to get up to the exponent there. And then it can tell me that I'm correct. So remember, subtract from means take this entire thing away. So make sure to distribute. So you see plus 3x and then a plus 8. So change the sign of everything in the second. Okay, hopefully that helps.